transform that. That's energy. That's negative energy. So you put that energy in.
So cool. You have any movie posters? Grab the Thunberg!
I'm trying to, be healthier.
No, I want the real answer, Fred. Don't bullshit me.
Fish again. That fucking fish again, okay? Tell me about that.
We're just waiting for John to get in the room.
What's the craziest thing you ever said in an elevator?
The craziest thing I ever said in the elevator was, I farted.
You did make the transition from Hollywood Squares to Match Game, and let me ask you that, was it easier having...
Who are biologically predisposed, I would say to extrasensory perception could really...
You ever met a Jehovah's Witness? Is there anything you'd like to plug or mention?
It really means is the transmutation.
Improvise your way to the groundlings. You want to get out, you want to get anywhere, well...
And then there was the guy after him.
Ray Combs. Those are the lines.
And that's your woman voice?
That's my woman voice.
This trend where they will be having a serious conversation and then you'll just throw something in there that's completely absurd. And
well, because it just can't stay the same, If it's just like, how you doing? I'm fine. What was yesterday? Like, oh, it wasn't bad.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.